What's up guys, welcome to watch the video of Magic Stone Pebbles factory. We know you most care if your supplier have enough capability to provide pebbles with quick delivery time, maybe 5 to 7 days, high standard quality and a competitive price. The monthly output of our pebbles can reach 80 to 120 FCL. We have rich stone resource, advanced machines and skilled workers. Our production of pebble include following procedure: washing, tumbling, waxing, polishing, and more than 3 times picking for the damaged stone. Besides pebble stone, our advantaged products include granite fountain, basalt watercolor, animal carving, stone lantern, garden light, bird bath, bench, table, pavers, work lighting, and so on. Okay, dear friends, thanks for watching our video. In future, our team will continue provide more diverse videos for you. Thanks your cooperation with Magic Stone. Believe you can find your satisfaction with us. Don't forget to follow us. Good luck for you. See you next time.